If you're a podcaster, blogger, live streamer, Instagrammer, or YouTuber, and you're ready to take your content to the next level, well, I've got a video for you. When it comes to Web3 and blockchain, my focus is extremely narrow. It's not about cryptocurrency trading. It's not about DAOs. It's not about DeFi. It's not about NFTs. So what is my Web3 focus? Well, my Web3 focus is strictly on content creation. That's it. How can we, as creators, add the blockchain as another destination to own and potentially earn from our content? So if you're a blogger, podcaster, social media pro, YouTuber, Instagrammer, or live streamer who'd like to know exactly how I found success as a Web3 content creator, then save your seat at my upcoming workshop. You might discover that the blockchain is a great destination for your content too.